Predatory behavior starts long before the chase. It all starts with your dog orienting in the environment. Is there something to hunt? And they do this orienting behavior by sniffing the ground or scanning the environment with their eyes or by air scenting with their nose up in the air. If there really is prey around, the dog goes into a stalk. This means their eyes are glued to the prey animal, the body becomes tense and arrow-shaped, and then they go into a creep and try to get as close to the prey animal as possible before they start to chase. And this is when we, the owners, on our mobile phones, completely distracted on our walks, finally realize, oh gosh, shoot, my dog is hunting. Welcome back to day 2, reality check. Yesterday, you have mastered the 10 treats game and its variations. You have taught your dog impulse control, focus, and engagement, and you have turned it into a hunting game to give your dog an outlet for their need to chase and grab and to sniff and search. Today, we will start to take the 10 treats game out into the real world. I'm going to teach you how to use it under various distractions so that you can use it as an interrupter for unwanted behaviors such as barking or lunging or chasing.
Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. Schoko.